We're back with another video. This will be yet another cook with me. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to make my channel a cooking channel, but y'all, I do this every night, so it's the easiest thing for me to film. We will be putting out some new content later, but for right now, I wanted to introduce to y'all my absolutely favorite soup. This soup is gonna blow y'all minds when y'all get it in y'all mouths. This is my boyfriend's hands down favorite soup. He asks for me to make it almost every time I can get some kale in the kitchen. This is what he asked for me to make. So, Simba. So, I'm gonna make this for y'all. It's quick, it's easy, and it only requires minimal ingredients. So, I'm gonna run through those ingredients right now with you, okay? You need some Italian sausage. You need some onion, half and half, chicken broth, or, you know, the little chicken cubes, the concentrated chicken cubes. You need some oil, and you need some kale. Those are the basic ingredients. If you want to add more, you know, spice and stuff, or whatever else y'all want to add, y'all can spice it up however y'all want. But those are the basic ingredients for the soup, and we're going to get right into it, guys. So you guys, the kitchen police, that person right there, just reminded me that we actually used potatoes in the soup. So get about 2 or 3 potatoes, and we're gonna cut them up and throw them in the soup as well. So guys, as you can see, I've already diced up both of the onions, and now I'm gonna prepare the sausages. Basically what I do for the sausages is I squeeze out the meat that's inside of the casting. You don't have to do this. This is just something that I do because, you know, the casting helps hold the meat together, but I kind of like the meat to fall apart into the soup. I like tiny pieces in addition to bigger chunks. So this is why I do this, but you guys really don't have to go through the hassle of doing this if you don't want to. Italian sausage is the best sausage to use for the soup. It's the one that I would definitely recommend. Do not stray away from Italian sausage. I can already smell it as I'm kind of going through and doing this. And oh my gosh, this really defines the flavor of the soup. So if you guys kind of choose a different sausage, I can't guarantee what flavors you're going to have, because sausage is just so varied from sausage type to sausage type. So this is my advice. Again, you guys don't have to take it, but it's what I recommend for this recipe. Now I'm bringing you guys over to my kale. Pretty simple to clean. Rinse them 2 to 3 times. I've already rinsed these once. So after this, I'm going to rinse them 1 more time. Then we should be good to go. So now it's time to start splashing some things in the pot. The onions and the sausage are kind of going to go in at the same time. Just going to put some oil in here. Just going to take the onions, put them in. Oh, it smells so good. Now that the onions are in, we're going to put in our sausage. Let that cook for a little bit. Okay, so I know y'all see how caramelized these onions are, right? Y'all see that, right? That's where y'all need to be. We can go ahead and start adding our liquid ingredient. We'll go ahead and start with 2 cups of everything for right now. This will adjust as the soup cooks. 2 cups of milk. 1 cup of half and half for right now. In this jar, I'm simply crunching up 4 Maggi cubes. And we're going to make 2 cups of water out of that. But depending on how strong this concentration is, we'll add more water. So guys, I've made my chicken broth out of my cubes. I used 4, and from the taste of this, because of how strong it is, I can already tell you that it's gonna need more water. So there's still some chunks at the bottom. I'm gonna add more water to those, and that'll help dilute it a little bit. You see that? I went ahead and did a whole nother 2 cups. And that finishes off the chicken cubes. So actually 4 cups of chicken broth, okay? This is a lot of soup, y'all. So then we're just gonna mix everything Mix everything together, and we're just kind of waiting for it to heat up a little bit. I'll go ahead and add the crushed red peppers just so that the flavors can begin to start incorporating. We want this to be spicy. Well, we like it spicy. Y'all may not. Okay, and we'll go ahead and just wait for this to come to a boil so that we can go ahead and add our kale. Okay guys, so it's boiling now. So now that it's boiling, we are ready for the kale. Okay, here's the first bit. I don't cut mine up, but y'all can. They shrink, so that's why I say it's not necessary.
I thought you used to cut them.
No, I don't cut them. They shrink.
Never cut them?
I just throw them in there. You know what? I probably do cut them because usually when I buy them, they're in the bag, you know? So I don't ever have to cut them. So actually, probably do need to cut them. Okay guys, so I've recut the kale and we're gonna put that back in the pot. Alright guys, so this is kind of what the soup is looking like right now. Over time we're going to add more liquid. I'm going to add a bit more half and half and some more water. And so sad story is I just broke my tripod. It just fell over, and so I can't use my phone extension. So for now, I'm just gonna hold my phone, you know? So we've got the potatoes cut, and we're just gonna plop them in. As you can see, it's getting really bubbly and thick. So now that's how you know it's time to add a bit more liquid. And I usually use 2 kinds of sausage in this, and usually we get it in the spicy kind. I don't have it right now, so I didn't put it in this recipe, but I'll get the name of it and I'll link it here. So we're just gonna add some more liquid to this and then let it cook. Let those kale and potato cook, and then we'll be all set to go. So you guys will know the soup is done when the potatoes are really soft, the meat is cooked, and the kale is tender, okay, which it is. So the soup is done, and I would say it was on for about 30 minutes. So we're just gonna get some bread on, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. If y'all ain't had these dinner yeast rolls before, y'all need to get with it, because this is the only thing to eat with this soup, and I promise y'all, these are the best rolls like ever. So go ahead and get y'all a bag and have it with the soup. Just so y'all can see everything, we got the soup, we got the kale, potatoes, sausage. Now I know y'all see these little, I guess, chunks of something. That's the half and half. That's what it does. There is a way to reduce that, the heat, when it touches the half and half, that makes it kind of boil up like that, kind of like flour in a way. But I guess just gradually increase the temperature. If you guys want to avoid that, just start with a lower temperature soup and then gradually raise the temperature. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. We've got our soup, we've got our bread, and we are about to chow down and enjoy. I thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you guys like this recipe. It is one of my favorites. And I will see you guys next time.